In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reject all cookies on Rockstar Games. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So by rejecting all cookies, you'll protect your account information from being collected. To do this, just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to get started, go to your Rockstar Games app and then go to settings here. From settings, look for general option here, and down below you should see cookies setting. You're told we use analytics cookies to provide you with the best possible experience, and they allow us to analyze user behavior in order to constantly improve the launcher for you. So if you click on settings here, you might see here some of the information that is collected. So you're told certain cookies are necessary for the site to improve performance. However, if you no longer need these cookies, you can selectively reject by choosing the type of cookies such as necessary cookies, performance cookies, functional cookies, as well as advertising cookies. You can turn off any of these cookies as you wish. Or if you just want to reject or disable all of this, just go to reject all and this option will be selected. So that's how you can reject all cookies on Rockstar Games. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.